Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials: a single sticky note, a small metal paperclip, a rubber band, and a tiny bell or piezo buzzer. Fold the sticky note sharply into a compact shape. This creates the resonance chamber. Make tight creases so the paper holds form. Once folded, clip the paperclip so it protrudes slightly. The clip will transfer vibration. Then secure the bell or buzzer to the clip with tape, ensuring contact without crushing the paper. Next, you generate vibration and optimize sound transfer. If using a piezo buzzer, briefly apply a 3V source to confirm it vibrates. If using a bell, tap gently to hear tone. Once confirmed, loop a rubber band around the folded note to create tension. This increases coupling between paper and clip. Adjust the clip angle and contact pressure so the bell or buzzer vibrates the paper evenly. Then tape the note's open edges selectively to focus sound toward the listener. To finish, press the adhesive edge to a vertical surface with the sound opening oriented outward so the resonance projects. Make sure the buzzer or bell is centered against the folded chamber. Small shifts change tone dramatically. Once done, test by tapping or powering the buzzer. If sound is weak, tighten folds, increase clip contact, or relocate the bell toward the paper's center. If nothing works, check connections and batteries, and avoid overcompression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.